Alright, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here once again to tackle another problem that one of you brought yesterday. Continue to do this, and I continue to beg you, please, as you watch this video, try to subscribe in order to encourage me. Okay? I was very happy yesterday. At least the number of my subscribers moved from 18 to 21. It's 3 more subscribers. That is a good one. Please keep it on. Alright, let's look at today's question. This is a problem on cycle theorem. The question says, on the diagram, we have a cycle, and then the question says, in the diagram above, TS is a tangent to the cycle at A. AB is parallel to CE. AB is parallel to CE. Angle AEC, angle AEC, that is this angle here, is equals to 5. Angle this point here. Then angle ADB is equals to 60. Angle ADB, this angle here, is equals to 60 degrees. And angle TAE equals to X. And TAE equals to X. That is this angle here. Find the value of X. Alright, before I continue with this question, I would like to tell you that to solve this problem, you need this idea. If two lines are parallel to each other, and then a line cuts across like this line is called transversal. Okay, this is a transversal. Okay, this particular line is a transversal. Then there is a theory here. If these two lines are parallel, the theorem we are going to use today, that is the one I'm going to point out to you. Okay, if two of them are parallel, then this angle here and this angle here are called allied angle. Also, this and this are called allied angle. Let's call this V and let's call this one U. Let's call this X and let's call this Y. The theorem says V plus U equals to 180. Also, X plus Y equals to 180 degrees. Please, I believe you understand this. Okay, because we are going to make use of it in this particular problem. Alright, let's assume having done this, let's move on to our question. We are told that there are two lines that are parallel to each other, and a shape can be brought out from them. This line and this line are parallel. Okay, maybe we can redraw the cycle. Let's have the cycle here. It's normal cycle. Okay, the cycle here like this. Then these two lines, this and this, are parallel to each other. Let's join them this way, join them this way. Okay, we want to find this angle here. Sorry, this one is given to us to be 5x. This one we don't know. This one, okay, this is a straight line. I'm trying to remove the so many lines so that we'll quickly solve this problem. Okay, let me bring to your notice that there is a theorem called angle in the alternate segment. Can you look at this segment? Okay, so this is a chord. There is a theory that if a line which is tangent to a cycle, and at a point of tangency, a line is drawn from this point, that is, a chord is drawn, the angle that the chord makes with the tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. This is the angle in the alternate segment to this angle. Okay? So we can quickly see here that because this angle is 60, you can quickly see that this angle is as well 60. Alright? So if that angle is 60, and from the question we are told that this angle is what? X. Alright? So if you know that is X, this is 60. From what I explained to you earlier on, we can say that to get this angle, these two angles are allied angles based on what I explained to you. So we can say 5x plus, let's call this u, 5x plus u plus, equals to 180 degrees. That is, the two angles are allied angles. If you add them, it will give you 180 degrees. So let's try to find our u. Our u then is equal to 180 degrees minus 5x degrees. Alright? So we have known our u. Okay? So let's use another theorem now. This is a straight line. We can draw a straight line like this. Then there is a line running like this and a line running like this. This angle is 180, which is u, is 180 minus 5x. This angle is known to be 60 degrees. This angle is known to be x. So using angle on sum of angle on a straight line, we can say 60 plus 180 minus 5x plus x is equal to 180. Raising sum of angles on a straight line. Okay? So we can see that let's say we group like things, or let's say 60 plus 180, or rather let's add them quickly. 60 plus 180, that is 240, plus 5x minus x is let's say it's minus 4x equals to 180 degrees. So we can say minus 4x is equal to 180 minus 240 degrees. Okay? And then we can also say that 4x minus rather is equal to less 240, and this is what? 180. Sorry, 180. This is 0. This is take 1 from into this. That is 14. That will give us 6. So 4x is equal to 60 minus 60 rather degree. So divide both sides by 4x divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 60 divided by minus 4. This cancel this, this cancel this. So we can say that our x is equal to 15 degrees. Our x is 15 degrees. 15 degrees. Alright? I believe strongly that you understand the solutions. Okay? You understand the solution. Please let me bring this up so that for this thing, let's continue here. Okay? So that you can see clearly minus, this is minus 4x is equals to minus 60 degrees. Okay? So we have minus 4x divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 60 degrees divided by minus 4. This cancels this. So x is equal to 15 degrees. Please, I hope you can see this. So this is how to go about this kind of problem. Okay, I will continue to attend to your problem as long as you are having interest in this and you are subscribing. Please, the first thing you do, as soon as you begin to watch this video on YouTube, okay, you see subscribe at the side of the video. Just click. That is the most important thing for now. I want as many followers as possible. Please invite your friends to join this. Let's have let's make this online tutorial enjoyable and pleasurable for ourselves. So please, I encourage you to invite your friends, especially those who are preparing for exams, external exams, those in SS3, those in SS2, those in SS3, those preparing for JAM and the rest. You can always send me a question and I will be there to answer your questions. My WhatsApp number remains the same. Okay, this was a question sent to me yesterday by a student like you. So please try to forward your questions. Let's attend to them. You can always get the answer. 070-3503-9796 is the WhatsApp number. Please. For those who are also in this mathematics wizardry on Facebook, please, when you are posting your question there, I encourage you to always to always snap, capture the question. I prefer handwritten question, then you capture it and send, like a picture, okay? Let it be in form of picture, because there are some of the symbols and signs that, because I believe most of you are using Android phones, and some of these symbols and mathematical symbols and signs may not be readily available to. So for you to type those things, you will make mistake. So screenshot, and please make it clear, very clear, so that I can understand and solve and attend to your problem. Also, it has come to my notice that some mathematical signs and symbols you easily misinterpret them. That is what I'm going to talk about in our next video. So, if you want to get that update without stressing yourself, why not subscribe? That is the easiest way to follow this up. If you are preparing for external exams, I will be here to attend to you, and at the end of the day, I believe strongly that you come out with flying colors. I've prepared so many students for external exams. They just concluded WAEC and NECO. I've prepared students for it, and JAM rather. And the story is something interesting, something you would like to hear. So I will encourage you to please subscribe and invite more friends so that we make it enjoyable for ourselves. Thank you for listening.